recruitment system. In today's tutorial video, we will be offering a sneak peek into the worker section, focusing on its outstanding features. So let's begin with the worker stock. Our first highlighted subsection is the worker stock, which is designed to provide users with a comprehensive overview of essential information. On this page, users can access detailed workers' profiles, including names, ages, religious affiliations, nationalities, experience, and other important details. Furthermore, users have the capability to navigate external company affiliations and identify agents associated with each applicant. The page also facilitates tracking the status of each worker, indicating whether they are in process, available for recruitment, selected, or blacklisted. All these functionalities are seamlessly integrated into a single user-friendly page, streamlining the recruitment process for enhanced efficiency and ease of use. Workers' procedures. This part provides detailed information about each individual worker. One of the most important things covered here is the procedures every worker must go through. This includes getting a passport if they don't have one, personal photo submissions, and most importantly, medical checkups and medical examinations. This page also shares information about visa issuance and flight tickets. What makes it even easier is that you can quickly find a worker's details by searching their names, stock number, or passport number. This means you can easily check and keep track of all the steps a worker needs to complete in a short time. Here, you can scroll up and down and navigate all the workers' procedures that every worker or applicant must go through. Now, let's explore the workers' follow-up subsection. This area is designed for decision makers and employees to have a direct and a comprehensive view of the workers' procedures. In this section, you can easily monitor the procedures for an individual worker or all the workers within a specific stock. The platform facilitates a user-friendly interface that allows decision makers to access and review information efficiently. Moreover, the workers' follow-up subsection offers the convenience of downloading this information in various formats, whether you prefer Excel, PDF, or other formats. The system provides flexibility for decision makers and employees to save and utilize the data as needed. Worker Procedures Report. This section shares similarities with the Workers Follow-up subsection, with two key distinctions. Firstly, the Workers Procedures Report is tailored for individual worker monitoring, allowing users to focus on specific workers rather than the entire stock. This provides a more detailed and personalized view of each worker's progress. Secondly, this page offers a comprehensive breakdown of each procedure undertaken by a worker, spanning from the start date to the end date. This detailed timeline not only showcases the steps involved but also indicates the time taken for each procedure. Additionally, the report provides information on the associated costs for each step and presents the total cost incurred. All Workers Procedures Report. This page serves as a comprehensive reporting hub, offering an extensive overview of details for all workers within your stock. In this section, users gain access to a consolidated report containing all the information they need for every worker. It provides a holistic view of the procedures undertaken by all the workers, streamlining the monitoring process and ensuring efficient oversight. The All Workers Procedures Report is designed to be a centralized source of information, allowing users to easily check and analyze the collective data for all workers within their stock. This consolidated report enhances decision-making and management processes, offering a broad perspective on the procedures completed by the entire workforce. Flight's Arrival Report. This detected area provides a direct report on the arrival of applicants, offering a concise table of information. Here are some of the key details included in this report. 1. The request number. Each arrival request is uniquely identified with a request number for easy reference. 2. Workers' information, where you have a comprehensive details about the arriving workers, including their names, age, religion, nationalities, and other relevant informations. 3. The carrier airline, where you can find informations regarding the airline responsible for transporting the worker. 4. Flight number and arrival time, where you can find flight's details such as the flight number and the scheduled arrival time. Also, you can sort and filter the countries and from date to date the way you want it. After putting all these required informations, you press on the search button and then this comprehensive table will be showed for you. This streamlined report ensures that decision makers and relevant personnel can quickly access essential information related to workers' arrivals. If you want to dive deeper into the details and see these features in action, head over to our YouTube channel where you can watch the full video demonstration. We are dedicated to providing you with the tools and resources you need to excel in your recruitment endeavors. Thank you for considering Golden Cloud Recruitment System.